Are you ready to learn some real-life English with comprehensible input? Well, good, because today I'm going to teach you 20 common words you must know if you want to speak English better. Let's start. So the first word today is peel. Peel means to remove the skin from a fruit or vegetable. So you remove a fruit, the skin of the fruit or a vegetable. Like for example, I peel a banana. I peel a banana. So you remove the skin of the banana. When you remove it, that call it peeling. Let's jump to the next word. The next word is chop. So to chop means to cut food into small pieces or fruits. For example, I chop the onion. I chop the onion. So you make a slices the onion or chop the onion, make it slices or small pieces. Let's jump to the next. The next is slice. Slice means to cut into thin pieces, like thin pieces. Slice means to cut into thin pieces, small pieces. Like she slices the bread. She slices the bread. So she make the bread small, thin pieces. Let's jump to the next word. The next word is stir. To stir means to mix food with spoon. To mix food with a spoon. So you stir the food. Like for example, I stir the soup. When you mix it soup, it's called stir. Stir. Let's jump to the next word. The next word is pour. So pour means to make a liquid flow into a container. You make a liquid flow into a container. You move the water to another cup, like pouring. Pour me tea. Pour me tea. Please pour me tea. So you just move a liquid or water to another, maybe bowl or a thing. Let's jump to the next word. The next word is boil. Boil means to cook in very hot water. To cook in very hot water. When the water is boiling, or to spoil eggs. When you cook egg with only water, it's called spoiling. Let's make example. We boil potatoes. We boil potatoes. So you cook potatoes with water, it's boiling. Let's jump to the next word. The next word is fry. So fry means to cook in hot oil. To cook in hot oil. When you cook something, food or potatoes, whatever vegetable, that means fry. Fry egg. Let's jump next word. The next word is bake. To bake means to cook in an oven. When you're baking something, you cook in oven. For example, my mom bakes a cake. My mom bakes a cake. So your mom makes the cake in the oven. Let's jump to the next word. The next word is grill. Grill means to cook over directly heat. This one is very hard. To cook over directly heat. Like for example, we grill chicken. We grill chicken. So when you grill chicken, you make it the chicken in a direct heat. I think the example. Let's jump to the next. The next is mix. Mix means to combine things together. To combine things together. For example, I mix flour and water. You mix flour and water. So that's how you make dough. Let's jump to the next word. The next word is test. Test meaning is to check the flavor of food, like flavor of food, like to check the flavor of food, how the food tastes like. Let's jump to the next example. The example is I tasty soup. I tasty soup. So you feel the soup is delicious or not delicious. So the next word is jaw. To jaw means to break food with your teeth. When you jaw on something, to jaw a gum or food. Like for example, jaw your food slowly. Jaw your food slowly. So break your food slowly. Eat slowly. The next word is swallow. Swallow means to move food from your mouth to your stomach. When you let go food to your mouth, that means swallowing. Like for example, I swallow the food. I swallow the food. Let's jump to the next word. The next word is serve. Serve means to give food to someone. You serve to someone or you serve yourself. Like she served dinner. She served dinner. So you give people to the food. You give people food. The next way is eat. So eat means to put food into your mouth and swallow it. You eat, put food on your mouth and swallow it. I eat rice every day. I eat rice every day. So that's your routine. You eat rice every day. Next is drink. So drink is to cook. No, drink means to take liquid into your mouth. You take liquid into your mouth. For example, I drink water. I drink water. Let's come to the next. Spread. Spread means to put a thin layer of food on something. You to put a thin layer of food on something. For example, I spread butter on bread. You spread butter on bread. Let's jump to the next word. The next word is add. So add means to put something into food. When you add a little bit salt. So when you add food, something is called add. You add a little bit salt. For example, add some salt. Add some salt. You should say add some salt. Next word is wash. So wash means to clean food with water. You clean food with water or dishes, whatever. I wash the apples. I wash the apples. So you clean the apples with water. The last word is cook. Yeah, to cook. To cook means to prepare food by using heat. To prepare food by using heat. Like for example, my father cooks dinner. My father cooks dinner. So guys, those are 20 common words about cooking, swallowing, eating, drinking. It's all about food, the things we eat every single day. So write them down and let me know if you learn new word in this video. Thank you very much. See you next video. Have a good one.